Do you have all of the discovery?
Well, except for what they weren't able to give me, because it was my suggestion that they talk to the complainant, because there were issues I wanted them to explore with her.
Okay.
So I don't have the discovery in the sense that they've never been able to answer those questions.
All right, so we have 2026 CR 002855 and 2026 CR 002856. So the state has been working on contacting the complainant since June. How long is this jury trial going to last?
It depends on whether the court's ruling is on the admissibility of the outcry. It'd be pretty short if
I would
one way or
imagine
the other, yes.
with jury selection, maybe 2 days at most, if we are able to go this route that we explained to the court,
Okay.
which will require the dispositive hearing prior to obviously the
All
trial.
right, Norma, set this for jury trial and plea deadline date. They're saying 2 to 3 days. And note that this has been on the docket since April, so it needs to be tried.
So Judge, are we gonna be able to get a hearing on that motion pre-trial?
Sure.
Okay. Well, not pre-trial, the day of trial, but like in advance, so to give us time to reevaluate our plea bargaining, depending on the court's ruling.
All right, Norma, set this at the beginning of September, well, mid-September, to have no, not for jury trial. The beginning of September to have a trial on his motion on what is admissible.
On the outcry, yes.
And state, make sure your outcry person is here.
Yes, sure.
All right, what date?
I can do the 14th, September 14th for the motion,
All right, and when will be jury trial?
September 28th.
All right. So you'll need to be here September 14th and September 28th. September 14th is a hearing on defense's motion. And September 28th will be jury trial date and plea deadline date. All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, thanks for dressing appropriate for court. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring you a reset form. So how's everything with family and everything?
If she makes it through Tuesday, my mother will be 96.
Oh, that's a great year. She's gonna make it. Yeah.
And my
And-
daughter will be 45 the day before.
Well, tell your mom and your daughter I said happy birth month.
Thank you.
So on this case, thank you, one, for dressing appropriately for court and showing up on time, because some people don't do that. So where are we on discovery?
We have just conferred with the state. The police report says there is a ring camera video on this.
Mhm.
The state does not have it, and they are going to try to get that.
All right, Norma, recall this for 30 days for discovery. And state at that time, you'll need to tender an offer.
September 14th.
All right, September 14th, once you sign the reset form, you excuse, just have a seat and your attorney will bring the form to you. All right, thank you. And I'm so sorry, are you employed?
No.
Okay, all right, thank you. I'm asking because maybe you could appear by Zoom since it's a discovery issue. All right, thank you. State.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 3141, State versus George Abaye. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Shannon Locke for Georgia Bio.
And are you Mr. Abaye?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Judge Abaye who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 3141 for the offense of assault causing bodily injury family member on September 30th, 2025 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of June 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, George Chimpaka, Abaye committed the offense of fraud, use, possession, identifying info, 5 items in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of June 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, George Chimpaka Abaye, committed the offense of failure to identify, giving false/fictitious info in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of conditions 1 and 1? I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion at revoke and sentence to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Take into consideration clauses 2026 PF 24124 and 2026 PF 24125 and run concurrent with causes
Wait,
2025
just 1 second. Concurrent with,
2025
Mhm.
CC 011311 and 2026 CC 010449.
I'm sorry, could you do the last numbers after the CC?
010449.
The problem is when I look at the home run keys, instead of just doing it, it's like,
Sorry, Judge.
oh, no problem. That's on me. All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
It is the proposed agreement, Your Honor. It's for the maximum that the court allowed. So. No, you follow that agreement.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is finding 1 and 1 true. The court will grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's to be no contact. It's to appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
So this is a motion to revoke. So where are we?
Judge, I believe that there are a couple of new number ones. The last for the drug offense are in. However, looking at the aggravated assault, it's pretty egregious. There's going to be a lot of medical records that we're still waiting on, and those have yet to be made discoverable to defense.
All right,
We don't
when
have
is that
possession.
going to be done?
I'm sorry, Judge?
When will that be done?
I'll talk to the intake prosecutor and see if we can fast track this.
All right, and are you on the aggravated assault?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So Norma,
Yeah.
recall this for 45 days for a contested hearing,
Thank you, Your Honor.
and then state if you want to withdraw. It's completely up to you all.
Of course, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
September 28th.
All right, September 28th will be your contested hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
All right, why is this case so old?
Your Honor, the defendant was not in custody until very recent.
All right, so do you have all discovery?
No, we talked about it, so probably gonna get it tomorrow. Soon by the office wants to get it.
Yes, Your Honor, I've instructed him to have his paralegal contact me so I can make sure they're set up on discovery properly, and I've informed him he can give me a hard drive that I can give him a physical copy of everything.
All right, and so there are no CPS, all discovery is in?
I believe it is. If it's not, then I will address that once we're able to give that to him. I
Oh.
believe so.
Okay. Norma, set this for a plea deadline date and a jury trial, and
And we will,
then if you all have an agreement before then, you can come back before then, but otherwise, this is an old case.
I'm sure you are.
Yes.
Thank you.
and if the defense finds anything that hasn't been tendered that he believes should have, we'll inform the court. So
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a seat.
I'll just need Vic. All right, October 20th will be your jury trial date. Just a second. Does he need an interpreter?
He does, Your Honor.
All right, have him have a seat. Norma, call an interpreter down. Court is, everyone, please whisper. Talk the way you talk when you're before the court and we're on the record and the court reporter can't hear because people are whispering. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 005993, State versus Julian Settles. Can I have parties announced?
Right, operator for the state.
Charles Gold for Mr. Settles.
And are you Mr. Settles? Are they spelling his name correctly in this with only one T? Okay, thank you. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Abrams, this is Julian Settles, and it's an application. Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State proceeding as presented?
We are, Judge.